What's up, YouTube? Let's dive back into the mysterious world of Garten of BanBan. There's a lot of mysterious speculations with this guy right here, and some are claiming that it could be Zolphius. So with that being said, I'd figure I'd give him a shot. So now let's bring this guy to life. Zolphius, is that you? What have they done to you? A voice whimpers out to him. I've been alone. They hurt. Where's the others? Zolphius whispered. Where's who? The kids. Did they hurt them too? There are no kids here, Z. It's just us. But there's something else here as well. These kids, we're monsters, Zolphius explained. If what you're telling me is true, and those beasts roaming around the kindergarten, they were once us? Yes, Zolphius began to cry. I was once one of them, and was once a kid too, but now I don't even know what I am. And out from the shadows of the corner of the classroom, the large, round, disfigurement face with burnt eyes and a scrapped mouth appeared. I'm not like any of you. I too was once small and frail. Now I am this beast. Z, you don't have to be alone. I could save you. We could fight this. But out of nowhere, pounding against the classroom door, silhouettes of monsters can be lurking on the other side. There's nowhere to run, Z. There's nowhere to go. It's your turn now, but I'm afraid I can't stop it, Z said. The doors blasted open and blood-curdling screams filled the air. But in that moment, the silence grew as the beasts exited the room. Hey, are you okay? Zolphius peered down this nimble-colored body. As long as I'm with you, Z, I will be okay. And just like that, he is done. My rendition of Zolphius and Zolphius is complete. Now let me know what you think in the comment section down below, and until next time, on to his glimmer shots. Hey everyone, if you made it this far, I got a sweet playlist right here and another cool video for you to watch right here. Until next time, you guys have a good one.